Apply this knowledge by understanding the impulse to blame as a signal of some unmet need, by stating the need instead of blaming. Just say what you want. Stop expecting everybody to read your mind. Say what you want. Change, you were wrong to do this. To, I need your attention, acceptance, appreciation, affection, and allowing. Can y'all do that? Hold on, let me silence my phone. People keep texting me. Do not disturb. Gosh. Okay. Silence my phone. The beeping. Gosh. Okay. So I think this is really powerful. David Rico is saying to state our needs rather than blame others for not fulfilling them. Hold on. People keep texting me. I'd have to do a reduce interruptions because it's getting on my nerves. So David Rico is saying to state our needs rather than blame others for not fulfilling them leads to the very openness and vulnerability that makes for authentic intimacy. I gotta let that sink in. um, Blame. I think it's like when you blaming other people, I think it's disguised as a cry for help. So it's what we do when we feel hurt. Sometimes we feel hurt in relationships. Sometimes we feel unseen. Sometimes in relationships, we may feel unsupported, but yet we don't know how to say exactly what we really mean. So, like, this is what I hear a lot. And I know sometimes I'm guilty of this, you never make time for me. You always on your phone. As something I say, sometimes I'll say that to my husband. Like, you always on your phone. You either scrolling or talking to somebody, and you don't even make time for me because quality time is my love language. You don't even care. And I've learned that I need to like change that and say stuff like, I've been feeling really, talk about how I feel, right? I may say to my husband, I feel very disconnected lately. What I really need from you is some focused time with you. I see you on your phone a lot. I see you always on calls. Maybe we could plan a date night. Maybe we can sit and talk without your phone and just connect. Now, if I say that to him, he is he has never said no. That's the stupidest idea in the world. Anytime I say that to my husband, he'll just be like, okay, fine, I'll do it. And then he'll even say, notice I don't have my phone. And I'll be like, yes, I notice you don't have your phone. Thank you very much. You're not looking at your phone. So that's like something that I've had to learn to do is to is to say it. Y'all, okay, Rhonda notices the difference. Y'all know the difference. Like, think about the difference. You don't never make time for me. You always on your phone. You don't even care. How does that sound? Or how does it sound when I actually say, okay, you know what, boys, I'm feeling very disconnected. I would really need us some focused time together. Let's spend some time together. Let's go on a date or let's just sit and talk.